Hello guys, this is Arnie and welcome to Turbo Extreme. आज हम आ गए हैं इंटरनेशनल फीमेल राइड डे पे और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी लेडीज़ आई हुई हैं, बहुत सारी गर्ल्स आई हुई हैं बाइक्स लेके, अपनी अपनी स्कूटीज़ बाइक्स सब लेके। एंड यहाँ से हम चलने वाले हैं एक ब्रेकफास्ट पॉइंट पे, तो राइड कवर करते हैं और देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या क्या होने वाला है। Hi Vidhi, how are you?
Very well, doing very good, thank you.
So आज की राइड exactly किस बारे में?
So what we're celebrating today is International Female Ride Day 2017. This is the 11th ride actually, which is happening over the globe. हम लोग इसका India edition कर रहे हैं and we are doing it in Delhi. And we have had the awesome pleasure of having about 28 women riders today with us. जो is the biggest number by far in Delhi of women coming together and riding.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So what are your future goals?
We just want to keep on riding. We're going to have more rides with more women. You know, because we all share the same passion, and we also want to support each other. And I think this is what connects us, and we are hoping to take it a step further in some time. So wait, watch for that.
From how long you are riding personally?
Personally, I've been riding for about 10 years now.
10 years?
Yeah, I started with the moped, and then I used to ride my brother's Pulsar 150cc, and then I went on to you know, ride other bikes. You know, I used to ride an Avenger, which was my friend's. 3.5 years back, I bought my own Bullet, and I've been riding a Bullet since then.
Okay, so now you are riding a Bullet?
Yes, a Bullet. I have a beautiful Thunderbird matte 350cc.
Okay.
And yeah, that's what I'm riding for the last 3.5 years.
Vidhi, how do you feel like with so many women together at this particular day?
Arnie, it's brilliant actually, because I was not expecting. I mean, we were expecting people, but like I said, we were not expecting so many people to show up, because you know, you have to understand that we are not doing a group ride, so there is no compulsion. So everybody who's come here is because they believe in us, they believe in the ride, and they're coming here to support us. It's an individual ride, and that's a huge, I mean, like I said, 28 women coming together is a huge number, and we have some people who don't even ride with groups, they're solo riders.
Okay.
And they've just come for this ride, so basically this is their first group ride, so to say.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so it's amazing, and I mean, as you can see, I'm so pumped about it, and I'm like really excited about it.
So right, what do you want to, like, what's the final verdict about this ride?
I think from my side, the final verdict, or what I would like to end is that, you know, by saying is that what separates you from the others is that you're a woman, and you have to be proud of it. But what you have to extend it to is that the fact that you have to be proud of the other women too, right? You have to support them. You have to be sure that they may, you know, you got to make them feel special, and you have to respect them, which is what I believe a lot of people, you know, miss the mark on. And I think this ride is all about making the other person feel special, and that's what we believe, and I think that's what we'll always continue in whatever rides we do.
Any message would you like to give to like women or women who wants to ride?
Just pick up a bike or a scooty or whatever ride you want to pick up and just ride. That's the message. I mean, don't let anybody stop you or say that you can't ride or you can't pick up this bike. See, because nobody has started riding when they were born. None of the men, you know, they all learned it somewhere. You have to give away the fear, and you have to just believe in yourself and just do what you want to do.
Right, Vidhi, thank you for your wife, and hope to see you soon and riding you more and more by days and days.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you. Hi Anita, how are you?
I'm doing very well.
So I have heard like you have done some long rides. Can you please tell me about that?
Yeah, so it all started with some rides to Jaipur, and then we went to Shimla, Kasauli. So the good part in my case is that my husband also is a rider. So we both have our own separate bikes, and we don't necessarily have to wait for people to join in. We can just make a random plan and just take off. So we've done Shimla, Kasauli together. We've done Rishikesh. We've done Amritsar. We've done Wagah border. We've done Leh together, which was the last year. And Leh was again a very random plan. So when the planning started, people said that you're a new rider and how are you going to go to Leh all the way, and the terrain is difficult. The climatic conditions there is very extreme. So we just decided that we have to do this. So both of us just took off. My husband's nephew joined us from Bombay.
Okay.
So it's three of us. Not really having a very great technical knowledge, but since my husband is an engineer, he definitely has some knowledge of the bikes. So thank you. Neighbors, thank you. So yeah, so that's how we decided to go, and we had an amazing experience there. There were I think those were some of my best falls, because there were empty number of river crossings that we had to do, and crossing a river is not very easy. So and obviously there is no relationship there. So if you fall, you just fall. Like my husband will never come and rescue me. So I learned a lot of things, falling, getting up on my own, getting back on track. Yeah. So
any message to female riders?
Okay, so my only message to female riders is that since the community is picking up now, we definitely need to start respecting each other, most important. And apart from that, I think respecting rider for who they are is more important, than the usual stuff that happens, I mean, I think we are all special women, I mean, it takes a lot to get on the bike and get onto the road.
Right.
So we are extraordinary anyways. So I think we just need to empower each other and just go on and rule the world, I think. Yeah.
Any message would you like to give to female riders, or like the females who wants to ride or who want to be a biker?
Sure. I think from the time I have started riding, I do not like to explore and travel in a car or any other vehicle for that matter, because I really feel a very strong connect when I'm on the roads, and I think it's just so much of liberation that you feel. So for females who've not yet started riding and just have a thought that they have to ride someday, I think you have to get onto your bike now and start something, because you're really missing out on something if you're not there yet.
Right. It was a lovely message, and thank you, Anita.
Thank you.
On the bike.
Thank you so much.
Hi Simran.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
आज की राइड बेसिकली आपकी कैसी रही?
राइड बहुत ऑसम, बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत सारे नए लोगों से मिले, तो राइड बहुत ऑसम रही।
मेरे को ऐसा सुनने में आया कि आप काफ़ी दूर से आ रहे हैं इस राइड के लिए।
जी, मैं जब भी दिल्ली में राइड कहीं मीटिंग पॉइंट फिक्स होता है तो मैं दूर से ही, मतलब कह सकते हैं कि वो दूर है, पर मेरे लिए वो दूर नहीं है। I'm coming from Manisa. Yeah.
तो सिमरन कौन सी बाइक चला रही हैं?
मेरे पास रॉयल एनफील्ड क्लासिक है 350।
ओके। एंड कितने टाइम से आप राइड कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, क्लासिक तो मैं भी 1.5 ईयर से ही राइड कर रही हूँ। इससे पहले मेरे पास एवेंजर थी, और टोटल अगर एक्सपीरियंस देखा जाए तो 4-4.5 साल हो गए मुझे बाइकिंग में। हर जर्नी जो है ना, अपने आप में ही एक कहानी होती है। जब भी हम किसी जगह जाते हैं तो हम उसको एक्सप्लोर करते हैं और एक नई छाप हमारे हिस्ट्री में जोड़ देती है।
तो बेसिकली फीमेल राइडर्स के लिए आपके पास क्या मैसेज है?
ओके, जो फीमेल राइडर हैं, इट मीन्स कि वो ऑलरेडी राइडर हैं। ओके, फीमेल राइडर्स के लिए मेरा मैसेज ये है कि राइड करो, राइड पे फोकस करो और किसी चीज़ पे नहीं। लाइक अगर आप किसी ग्रुप में हो, किसी कम्युनिटी में हो, या राइडिंग एक फैमिली है, उसको एज अ फैमिली ही लो। जैसे फैमिली होती है, हम बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, छोटों को प्यार देते हैं, और कभी कोई गलती करे तो उसे सिखाते हैं, सुधारते हैं। तो बस वही करो जो आप कर सकते हो और बहुत बेहतर कर सकते हो, बजाय ये चीज़ें करने की कि बैक बिचिंग, जेलसी, ये सब चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए। राइड करो और सबको रिस्पेक्ट करो।
जो फीमेल्स अभी मतलब आप लोगों को देख के इंस्पायर्ड फील करती हैं, जो राइड करना चाहती हैं और जो एक्चुअली बाइकिंग करना तो चाहती हैं बट उनके फैमिली से शायद कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है, कुछ उनके अंदर डर है, तो उनके लिए आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहिए?
फैमिली से रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थोड़े बहुत होते हैं स्टार्टिंग में। जैसे अभी मेरी फैमिली से भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन, मैं 4 साल हो गए हैं पर मुझे अभी भी सोलो नहीं जाने दिया जाता, तो थोड़ी बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होती हैं। लेकिन अगर कोई बाइकिंग करना चाहता है या कोई भी अपना पैशन परस्यू करना चाहता है, तो सबसे मेन ये है कि अपनी फैमिली को यकीन दिलाना चाहिए। और इसकी स्टार्टिंग इस तरह से कर सकते हैं आप कि एज अ पिलियन आप ग्रुप में आएँ, राइड करें। आप घर जाके पिक्चर्स दिखा सकते हैं कि हम लोग कैसे राइड करते हैं, फुल गियर अप होते हैं, फुल फॉर्मेशन में होते हैं। तो ये चीज़ें आप अपनी फैमिली को दिखाकर आप उन्हें कन्विंस कर सकते हैं कि हम कुछ भी गलत नहीं करते हैं। हम जो करते हैं रूल्स के साथ करते हैं और रूल्स को फॉलो करते हुए करते हैं, सबकी सेफ्टी के साथ करते हैं। तो मेरे हिसाब से फिर तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए। फैमिली आजकल हर किसी को सपोर्टिव ही है, हर किसी की फैमिली, तो वो सपोर्ट करेंगे।
So guys, how was the ride? The ride was awesome. बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत सारे लोग थे, बहुत सारी फीमेल राइडर्स थी। आई बिलीव जितनी भी फीमेल्स हैं अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, अराउंड इंडिया, अगर वो एक्चुअल में राइड करना चाहती हैं तो उन्हें करना चाहिए राइड। थोड़ा अपने घर से बाहर निकलो, बाइक उठाओ, स्कूटी उठाओ और राइड करो थोड़ा सा। राइड इज़ गुड, आई बिलीव। इनसे मिलो आके, बहुत कूल हैं सारे। और ये देखो इन सब की बाइक्स खड़ी हैं यहाँ पे। सो गाइस, व्यूज़ बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं। ये रिंग आ रही है टर्बो एक्सट्रीम की, क्लिक करो एंड सब्सक्राइब कर लो। सो गाइज, दिस वॉज आर्नी एंड यू वर वॉचिंग टर्बो एक्सट्रीम।